I'm the farmer, the lawyer, doctor, cook, counselor, and clerk. I'm the battle of yesterday and the mistake of tomorrow. And as long as men cherish liberty and freedom, I shall continue to fly proudly over the free state of Texas.
Thank you, Lord, for blessing this country with such strong-hearted men and women who are willing to lay down their lives for our freedom. We lift up each and every one of them here today, and we thank you that because of their sacrifice, we are free to gather, to pray, to worship, to go to school, and to live as free people.